Hi there, and thank you for tuning in to Aurum Roofing at aurumroofing.com, the gold standard in roofing. Now that you have decided on what roof type and color you want installed on your home, you want to know what you as a homeowner can do to help make your next roofing install as hassle-free as possible. Well, this video was prepared for you. You don't necessarily have to be a customer to appreciate this information. All roofing contractors and homeowners are more than welcome to share this information. In this video, we are going over a few helpful tips on what you could do to help simplify your next roofing install. I will also go ahead and link our full roof replacement guide directly from our website, aurumroofing.com, in the description box below so that you could use as a reference for your own home. Step 1. Because safety is our #1 priority, we ask that you keep your pets and children inside during your next roof install due to safety. Since we are constantly battling gravity, the last thing we want is something falling from the roof and hurting your loved ones. If at any time you feel the need to bring your pets outside, please give us a 5-minute notice to provide you with a clean and safe walkway. Step 2. Because your driveway is the closest access point to your roof, we ask that you keep your driveway free and clear of any vehicles. This allows us to throw the existing roof shingles off your roof directly into our dumpsters, which will be parked on your driveway. Step 3. What does my yard have anything to do with my roof, you may ask? Although this is a fair question, we ask that you mow your lawn because when we are all done, we run our magnetic rollers throughout your yard to pick up any leftover nails that may have fallen from your roof. When the grass is tall, it is very difficult for our magnets to pick up the nails. The shorter the grass, the better the cleanup. Step number 4. Remove any breakable mirrors, TVs, or decorations from your walls. With the constant vibration and hammering coming from your roof install, this could cause these items to fall and possibly even break. Step number 5. We ask that you also remove any flower pots or outside furniture from around your home. If you need assistance with this, please feel free to ask for help and we will gladly help you placing them wherever you'd like. Step number 6. Electricity. Before your next roof project, it is important to make sure your exterior electric outlets are functional and in working order. Most of the times we find bad plywood decking that needs repairing with electrical saws. Again, please visit our website for our full roof replacement guide for you to use, which will be left on the description below. And as always, feel free to contact us with any further questions or concerns that you may have. Roofing is no small project, but using these helpful tips, we are confident that working together, your roof will be installed to the highest standards in roofing, the gold standard in roofing. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new roof.